Well, hi there. We're having supper tonight and I thought I would share a video with you. It is beef enchilada recipes. You need ground hamburg meat, which I have right here. I just got done cooking. It's steaming. 1 pound, and you want to take 1 cup of Mexican cheese, about half of that. Let's see, that's about half. Then you want to take 1 10-ounce. This is 16. 1 10-ounce of enchilada sauce and 1 jar of black bean corn salsa. And don't you know, it's giving me a fit to come off. That's all right. We'll keep working at it here. Hopefully I got the muscle. There, wowza. Okay, it says 1 jar. So there's 1 jar going in. And you can use this whatever you can find of your choice. You need beef burrito, the beef burrito size. They say 8, but I've only got 6, and then I have some small ones here. So we'll just have to wait and see what I can come up with. And then it says you want to take 1/4 of enchilada sauce. So you want red enchilada sauce of your choice. You want only about 1/4. There. We'll call that good right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up just like this. I can tell you one thing, it smells really, really good. And then you're supposed to spray a pan 9 by 13, stick your flour burritos in like this and line them up. I tried lining them up, but they kept falling down, so I said, well, I'm only gonna do this one at a time. This is a new recipe for me, but it looks amazing. It looks really, really good, and it smells good. Okay, I'm gonna take a big old spoonful, going right in the middle. I might have to put a light on here. Hold on. It's getting dark here. Okay. And then it says you want to fold it over like this and like this. And you're going to put it just like that. You want to fold it over just like that. I can tip it down far enough so you can see it. Just like that. And then we're going to put red sauce and cheese over that. So here we go with another one. I really wish they would stand up. It would make it a lot easier. I think too, it all depends on how you fill them, is how many you'll actually get. Me, I'm a filler. I like to fill my stuff right up. I always say when I eat, I don't want anything that's just gonna fill a little cavity. I don't want the whole thing. Half and half. It's looking really good. And then you're gonna put it in the oven and you're going to bake it. And you're gonna bake it at 350 for 30 minutes. The corn and the green bean salsa, smells wicked good. So that's what it's looking like so far. So now that I ran out of big ones, I got little tiny ones. Just my size, huh? Yeah, right on that. There ain't too many things that's just my size. Okay. Make some little babies here. Babies don't want to stick as good as a big mama's. It's all right, we'll get them to stick. We'll get them to stick. It's all good. Looks like I may have just a little bit left over. I'm not sure, but I'm going to fill the pan and we're going to go from there. Maybe I could have stuffed a little bit more in the bigger ones. Not going to have much. Okay. Only had a little bit left over. Really smells wicked good. Okay, like that. I'm just going to go back. Put a little bit more in this one. A little yabba dabba do ya. Oh. A little bit in that one. Like I said, this is the first for me on the recipe, and I think I'm gonna like it. I'm used to using the red powdered chili from New Mexico, so this enchilada sauce is different. Now, I know Ray couldn't eat it because it's wicked hot that I get. Okay, so we've got these all folded over. The little ones are a little stubborn, but that's okay. It's all good. It's all good. It's all gonna taste wonderful. Then we're gonna take the enchilada sauce that's left, and it says you wanna just drizzle it right over the tops. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just drizzling it right over. Just like that. And all we got left now is the cheese. Yum, yum. Who doesn't like cheese? I know we sure do. Sometimes we like it too much, I think. Whoops. There, it's coming. It's so, would my grandkids say, so is Christmas, Grammy. Just like this. And I think this looks awesome. And there is your beef enchilada casserole going in the oven right now. So I'll bring you back. Hi there, I'm back. These are out of the oven. I just took them out. They are wicked hot, as in wicked. Show you what they look like. Don't they look yummy? They smell really good. Really, really good. So, I'm gonna plate up one here. See how it's gonna come out. Don't dare to touch the plate, it's so hot. Woo, baby. Woo. There. Woo. Woo, 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 woo. Hot. Hot, hot. Okay. Yes, Pumpkin. Pumpkin wants to eat. She surely can't have this. Definitely hurt her belly. This was going to be Ray's plate. But I'm going to take a little bite off it. Hopefully I can get these downloaded. I've just been having trouble all afternoon downloading the video for Wednesday. So anyways, here we go. It looks so good, I don't even know where to start. Guess we can start right there. Try not to make messes. Bang. Here it is, beef enchilada casserole. Wicked hot. Ooh. Very good. It's got just enough seasonings. I think Ray can even eat this without having a problem. Very nice. Seems I like really hot stuff. This isn't too hot for me, but just right for seasoning flavors. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. Let me see. I'm trying to think. This is going to come out. Not sure what day it's going to come out. It all depends when I can get on Facebook. YouTube. So give me thumbs up so YouTube can recognize I've got a lot going on here at MAINEiac Grammys YouTube channel. And you never know what's going to have on my videos. Everything will be in the description box below. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Time to eat. Bye now. As Ma Kettle would say, come on, y'all. Time to eat.